Hey y'all, it's me, Rachel. Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I've had my primer on. I put my eye primer on. Glorious Touch Primer. It's in our bundle this month. Or our kudos. That's one of the items you could get. Or the concealer. And then you have a choice of setting powder. Spray, or the setting powder, or the foundation brush, or the powder puff one, which I don't have that one. Okay, something stuck in my drawer. Okay, so I'm sorry for the blah 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 blah, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So I'm going to start in with this color here, Nimble. And I'm just going to use a brush like this. Tap off the excess. I'm just blending it in as I go. The purpose of the primers, the Glorious Touch Primer, it seals over your pores. It's supposed to shrink your pores, I believe. That's what it said. It has anti-aging ingredients in it. It just gives you a silky smooth finish and makes your makeup last longer. So there you go. Okay, so next I'm going into this color called Marvelous right here. And I'm going to use my crease brush. And just go in the outer corner and bring it over. And it does not take much. Younique's colors are very pigmented. So I'm barely swooping in like dot dot. Then tap. That way you'll get the less fallout possible. That's why I always do my makeup last. Not my makeup last. My foundation last because of fallout. So that way it's all, you can clean it up. You don't have to do it like that, of course. Okay, the next color I'm going in with is Inconceivable. If I could talk. And I'm going to put that on my lid. This is a really pretty color. This palette thing makes it hard to tap. And I'm leaving it and blending it kind of into this where the brown is kind of coming over. And they're conjoining. together. You can join. Okay. Then we're gonna go in with some Optimistic. And we're gonna use that underneath our brow bone. I need some ladies to join my team too. We are going to rock it. I just need some girls. I've had some kidnappers. We need to build a team. So if you are interested, just comment team or join, and I will get right back with you. And we'll figure out, because you can be a kidnapper if you want to. Not kidnapper, kidnapper. Don't be a kidnapper. I forgot what I was saying. We'll give it a little wing. Not much though. I don't want it too thick because it'll take away from the look. Oops, that one there I went. There. Is that okay? It's my kids' alarm going off in the background. So as soon as they wake up and notice it, they'll turn it off. Okay, so now I'm going in with our Epic Mascara. It is the bomb diggity bomb. It's raining outside and it's so peaceful. At least for now. That's one coat. I'm all about the lashes though, because if you haven't figured me out yet, I'm always talking about them lashes. Not my lashes necessarily, but you can never have long enough lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put one more coat. And then I'm going in to go, my words don't all intertwine. Going with the 3D. It's a two-step system. You put the gel on. Just making sure y'all can see. Make sure you coat them very well. So that way your fibers will stick. And do it about the middle to the end so you don't get the fibers all in your eyes. And you can do one coat. You can do 10 coats. I wouldn't suggest that though. You'll be having some pretty... I don't think that would look too good. Almost out of fibers. Okay. And then seal it off with the gel or Epic. I'm just going to do the gel this time. So I'm running out of fibers, but I have plenty of gel. Usually it's the other way around. I'm running out of gel, so I just use my Epic. Okie dokie. Okie dokie, Smokey. Got that done. Let's go ahead and put on some Perfect eyeliner. I dropped my pencil. Okay. So there's my eye look. I just showed y'all my foundation brush, and guess what? I have gone and lost it. Holy cow almighty. Oh, here it is. Alright, sorry. Just a little unorganized. Okay. So this is in, I don't know that one. Velour. Make sure you shake it good. I put 3 drops, and then I put some taffeta, a little bit of that on there, and then to give me an all over glow, I use our a la mode. How do you say that? Luminizer. Okay, so I do that, and then I get me a little brush and kind of mix it all together. And I just put it on here, and then I dot it. So I'm getting complete full coverage. Fly like the eagle. Keep on into the future. Can you get copyright infringements for singing parts of songs? Because I don't own the copyright to that. I don't know, you never know these days. I wasn't thinking about it, and I was like, shoot, I don't know. Okay, so let's use our contouring stick. Now we're going into the lighting one. Open it. And this is like on the go, ready to hurry up, and I mean, you don't have to be on the go to use it, but it makes it very convenient. Okay, so I'm just gonna spray my beauty blender, and I always pat in the light first, and then I go to the dark. if I can help it, at least. And it blends so well. And you'll look like you spent forever on contouring. Not forever, but oh yeah, for that down here. And then I go over it with my bronzer. We have the best bronzers ever. Add some color to this girl. Can't ever be tan enough. Okay. So next I'm going to go in with, this dries us to a powder, Benevolent, and I'm going to put it right there, and right there. Because I don't want too much shine to my forehead. I don't want shit to be staring out my forehead. So I don't want it too shiny. Okay, so now we're going in with our Mineral Touch powder blush. This is a limited edition. Let's do our brows real quick. I'm not trying to keep y'all forever. It's just it takes a minute. Need those darkened up a bit. This is also in blonde, but it matches my hair perfectly. Okay, so I'm going to get my setting powder. Comes in a little netting. And this will help set my makeup. It does wonders. One day I'll do the lipstick test for y'all if y'all want me to show you how well it sets your makeup. And then last but least, we have a collection set with Hottie. And it is amazing. Like, it's my favorite. If you love peppermint, it's our little lip plumper. And let's go with Sitting Pretty. So, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, follow, whatever you're watching. And I'll have more tutorials to come. If you have any ideas or any colors that you like to see, all you have to do is give me a shout out and I will do that. Plus, it'll give me ideas to do. So anyways, peace out. Have a blessed day. And keep having a blessed day. But I'll see you later. Peace out. I don't know why I winged. Bye.